Do you know where the world's bestest food is available? You know that, but still you don't know. Because it is your own house kitchen. In Ayurveda, it is said that the best food is prepared in your own house kitchen. And if you eat that, your health will be good. Your mother, whatever, your maid is there at your house, she's cooking, she cooks for you with affection for you, and that matters a lot. The food what you eat, food when you eat, if you see whatever you are viewing in a TV serial, even that also is galloping in your intestine and it affects your health. So at least sometimes hoteling is okay, but try to eat homemade food. That is most important for your health. For any health queries, you can WhatsApp me on 704 558 9981, and Tanvi Herbal Clinic's free checkup at Thane and Dadar Clinic is always there. Plus 9820075812 WhatsApp free consultation is also available. For all your health queries, do contact us.